welcome back. Yes. Well, today we're going to do something different and I'm excited about it. Today's subject is eyebrows. So now your eyebrows is everything. Everything. When your makeup is done, your eyebrows need to be popping, okay? It just pop, okay? Because that's the first thing people see is your lashes, your eyebrows, and your lips, your lip stuff. You know what I'm saying? All the juiciness. That's what they want to see. So I have something special for people that don't know how to put their eyebrows on, have trouble having one eyebrow right and the other one wrong, and it's like we go through that. Or sometimes we shave them off to the point where there is none. And I'm a witness to it. I can contest that I do the same thing, because right now I draw mines on, okay, and I know everybody else do. So what I do is I draw them in and make them right, and then I go about my day. That's why it's called Beauty on the Go with Sherese. You know what I'm saying? So I got something in store for you and I want you to see. So right now we have eyebrows that we can actually purchase. Let's go. There is 4 different styles of waterproof stenciled eyebrows. You want to use baby oil to take the makeup off. Next, use alcohol to wipe it clean. Then you can use scissors to cut the stencil eyebrows out to your liking. Now that you cut the stencil out, now you peel back the film. So you want to make sure that the darker part goes on the bottom and the lighter part goes at the top. And now it's time to place your eyebrow. A wet cotton ball and moisturize the back of the stencil so that it can be saturated with water, and then peel back. Take the wet cotton ball and blot it as much water as you can. Blot it in place and it will not move. Remember, it's waterproof. Repeat the same steps for the other eye. Well, I still have the eyebrows on. It's been 5 days later and they still has not came off. This is waterproof and it ain't going nowhere, so get into it. Yep, get into it.